Guys, another day, another vlog for me. Before I will open my presents or my gift, I would like to thank you all the world, the FB page, and my relatives and friends for kind birthday wishes. Yeah, and then I would like to thank you. This from Isabel. Thank you. The gift. Wow. Wow, it's a travel. Oh. I really appreciate that this one, Isabel. It's nice. I did not buy in Spain, but luckily I have spare. Thank you for my travel. Thank you. Thank you very much. And then from Danica and the mother. Thank you very much, Danica and Maritita. Thank you. And the card, yeah. I will check first. Maybe there's a trip in Jerusalem. And, wow, cheese. Thank you. And the card, thank you. And Danica and Maritita. Yes, thank you, Isabel, yeah. What's this? I need my glasses. Oh, the perfume. Wow, thank you very much. It's a perfume. It's really interesting. It's a big one though. Thank you, Danica and Maritita. I need it's a perfume. It's a rough boutique red diffuser. Ah, very good. Thank you very much. Very good. Thank you, Danica. And then this is Josie. Yeah. Thank you very much, Joe. And this is from Monica. Thank you very much. But the chocolate is already been eaten since last night. And then Heidi. Cake plus this Pandora. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. Oops. Wow. My birthstone. I like it. It's ruby. July. Yeah. Thank you, Heidi. I really appreciate this one. I will keep it. Yeah. Don't worry. I will wear it as well. And Sir John. Sir John, thank you. The Goffenham. Wow. Malbec. Thank you. I know this is a good one because it's a unique no? It's a red wine. Thank you, Sir John. And then, let's hear from Mads Tita. Ah, that's from Danica. This is from Danica, the perfume. And this is my Kumari. Wow. Thank you. Another perfume. And this one, another for summer. Wow. I love it. I like the color. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Maritita. And this one is from Grace. Yeah. Thank you, Grace. My batchmate Grace. Wow. I love it. Wow. Wow. For summer, yeah. Thank you, Grace. Yeah. For summer, I will keep this one. Thank you very much for our next adventure. And Nigel, I will keep it even though I have hay fever. Thank you, Nigel. And then here, to Gloria, happy birthday. I'm not sure who on this one. Sorry. Especially for you. Yeah, Peter and Diane. Thank you. Oops. 20 pounds. Thank you very much. Thank you. Peter and Diane. And then, what else? And this one, another. Hopefully, I did not miss anyone. Yeah. From friend these days. Wow. From Josie and John. Thank you. Oh. And then I have a voucher here from Mark Spencer. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's all. Thank you. Thank you all, guys. Thank you very much. Bye for now.